Hey guys, today I have got a Maytag top load washer, and right now it is getting started. We've got it set to rapid wash, max extract on the spin speed. We're using both the hot and cold valves. Soil level, I set it to light just so it wouldn't take forever to get through this load. It's the fourth time I've run a load through this, testing everything on the board, making sure that the agitator works, shocks are good, bearings are good, all that stuff, everything gets checked, make sure everything's running perfect. Then I do this last load, take a video so you can see as if you're standing here yourself checking it out. Everything works perfect. That way you know when you get it home, plug it in, you're good to go. And so right now it's getting started. It's gonna sense and see how heavy this load is here. But I set the deep fill on, so it's going to get full submersion on those clothes and do a really good job getting it clean. And then when it spins, it's super fast as it spins out. So I'm going to show you all that here as we get moving along on it. But it's going to go ahead and start adding the water. You've got a tray under here that pulls out and you can add your different soaps and all that stuff to it. So it's running water through that right now into the basket and it'll get filled up. So I'll come back and we can kind of see in here as it gets the water on everything and gets everything submerged. So we'll come back for that. All right, I missed the first round of agitating, but you can see there, full submersion. It's running the drain right now, so I'll catch the agitating on the rinse cycle. But you can see drains working perfect, but really what I wanted to show you is that with that center agitator, you get full submersion, and these were literally floating around in the water, which is excellent. That combination, center agitator and full submersion on the water with the clothes, is kind of what gets them the most clean. And so once it moves over to the rinse cycle, I'll show you how that agitator works. It actually can get up to 5 different combinations of speed. And sometimes it'll pulse real long one way, real long the other way, and then it can also do short bursts, and it has all these different methods it can use, and that all depends on what cycle you choose here. So it's moving pretty quick with the rapid wash cycle. Alright, it's kind of getting up to speed out of the wash cycle. It's extracting the used up soapy water. And I only use about a capful of bleach on my last test load here. But otherwise it would be extracting the used up soapy water. Spinning nice and fast to get that all pushed out. Then it's going to fill back up for the rinse cycle next. Alright, it's filling back up. Just about full submersion. It's going to start agitating here in just a sec. And it'll go through a series with this agitator to kind of mix those clothes up, get them nice and even for the super fast spin cycle that's going to follow next. But as you can see there, just wanted you to get a look at that spin or the agitation there. Best we can see it through this lid anyway. Alright, we're getting up to full speed on the spin cycle. It's running the drain, starting to spin out nice and quick. And as the clothes get lighter, it will get faster. Has to reach a certain RPM when it's set on max extract for the machine to know that it has reached a certain extraction with the water in the clothes, which is great because when the clothes come out real light from being spun super fast, cut your drying time down. It's a part of the efficiency aspect. And I'll come back at about the 2-minute mark when it's at its top speed. Alright, this is going to be about its top speed. See how fast we're spinning there. Pretty heavy towel load on the rapid wash cycle. And I'll show you when it's all done how nice and light the clothes are. That's its little done chime. It unlocked the lid, so now we can reach in here with these towels. You can see, nice and light. Hand towels. Let me grab a big, I think there's a big bath towel size here. Yeah, this one here. You can see, that's a bath towel size, nice and light. So those, when they go into a dryer now, are gonna dry nice and quick. Yep. Good to go. All right, well, I'll go ahead and get this one listed up for sale. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. Thanks. You guys have a great day.